Manufacturing is undergoing a major transformation, pressured by supply chain volatility, labor shortages, and rising demands for efficiency. Traditional automation, bound by rigid rules, can't keep up. To stay competitive, manufacturers must move beyond reactive systems toward adaptive, autonomous intelligence. At Electrical Equipment Company, we see AI agents as the next leap forward, self-optimizing systems capable of learning, adapting, and acting with minimal oversight. Unlike traditional AI, agentic AI doesn't just analyze data, it executes decisions, manages workflows, and collaborates with humans and other agents. This makes it ideal for complex, fast-changing factory environments. By integrating inputs such as machine sensors, ERP data, and quality checks, AI agents reveal hidden patterns, predict performance dips, and forecast critical metrics like overall equipment effectiveness. Early adopters report up to 31% OEE gains and faster response times. A key application is predictive maintenance. By analyzing IoT sensor data, AI agents anticipate failures well before breakdowns occur, cutting downtime by 78% and reducing maintenance costs by 45%. Beyond maintenance, pairing AI agents with digital twins allows manufacturers to simulate thousands of scenarios safely, optimizing throughput and resilience. Their impact also extends to quality control, detecting defects with 99.97% accuracy, and supply chain management, where they dynamically adjust plans and mitigate disruptions in hours rather than days. At EECO, we help manufacturers harness these tools, separating hype from real value. The future belongs to those who anticipate challenges. With AI agents and the right partner, manufacturers can build intelligent, resilient, and future-ready operations.